Hi, I'm Joey Lau, and I teach at the Henry Samueli School of Engineering in the highly regarded Masters of Engineering program. I am also the co-founder and CEO of Stenella AI. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of the technology we've developed, the problem that we're trying to address, and where we are in our journey. The inspiration for Stenella came from a project that two of my former graduate students did while working on their Masters of Engineering degree 2 years ago. Collaborating with the UCLA Police Department, they created a prototype to detect guns that could be used for campus safety. Prior to teaching at UCLA, I used to work at Johnson & Johnson, and I saw potential use of the technology in medical device manufacturing. The medical device industry spends over $17 billion annually in quality-related costs, which include scrap, rework, product recalls, and litigation costs. In the past decade alone, more than 1.6 million patients have been injured due to faulty medical devices. And most of that is due to manufacturing defects. Now, why does that happen? Because medical device manufacturing is a complex process, and most of the assembly, manufacturing, and quality control is still done manually. That's why we've developed our solution. Using the latest in computer vision technology, we've developed a software that can detect manufacturing defects in real time with a 99% accuracy rate. These allows manufacturers to proactively address problems during the manufacturing process before the product is shipped to the customer. How does our solution work? We can monitor a company's manufacturing process using their existing cameras. We can then grab the images or video stream from their camera from anywhere in the world and send it to the cloud to be processed on our AI solution. And when we do find a defect, we can send out an alert either by email, text, or we can trigger a light on the manufacturing floor so the right people can take the appropriate action. We can do all of this in less than a second. In the future, we intend to develop integration with other machines on the factory floor to enable a fully autonomous manufacturing process. We've successfully proven the technology on a pilot with an orthopedics company. What you see here is a Class 2 medical device that is being assembled using a machine called a radio frequency welder. So where the camera is located, that's usually where an operator would be standing to inspect the product and check for defects. And in this particular case, the operator has about 20 seconds to inspect the part. So this is our solution in action. As you can see, when the turntable turns and when our software finds a defect, it would highlight the defect on the product. Now, some of these defects are easy to see, but some are small and can easily be missed by operators. We employ a two-stage inspection process with our solution, which allows us to achieve results with more than 99% accuracy. We believe total addressable market for our solution is over $25 billion, but our initial focus are medical device companies with over 50 million in sales. Our go-to-market strategy involves founder-led sales in the beginning until we can create a repeatable sales process. So there are competitors out there. What makes Stenella different is this. First, our solution is hardware agnostic. Our software can work on any type of camera. Some of our competitors require you to buy their own hardware and camera for their solution to work. Second, we offer an end-to-end solution without the need for any in-house AI expertise. Some of our competitors, if you have a credit card, you can actually download their software from their website, but you will need to know how to develop your own model. And unlike our competitors that offer a general solution for all types of industries, we are laser focused on medical device manufacturing. We started the company last year, and as part of our customer discovery process of talking to over 100 potential customers, we started a pilot with an orthopedics company. We received a grant from the National Science Foundation early this year, and we are in the process of applying for an SBIR grant. We plan to complete our MVP before the end of this year so we can onboard our initial customers. This is our team. Between Johan, my other co-founder, and myself, we have over 4 decades worth of experience in the medical device industry. We also have a proven track record of successfully implementing IT enterprise systems in a highly regulated environment like medical device. Our technical co-founders, Joshua and Charlotte, are experts in artificial intelligence. And we are also fortunate to have two advisors who have deep industry knowledge of the space. So if you are an early stage investor or if you have a need for our solution, we would like to invite you to be part of our journey as we help transform the future of medical device manufacturing and help improve patient safety. Thank you.